Hello, today I will be explaining to you how wood grains in a piece of wood work so that when you have to draw something made out of wood, you won't need a piece of reference photo. So let's say that this cylinder is a tree trunk. So you chop it, and of course on top you will have your tree rings, which shows how old the tree is. So let's say you cut up that piece of wood into a slab. Here I'm drawing that same piece of trunk with one part of it chopped off. So of course on top you will have your tree rings, and on the side you will have your wood grains, which will connect to your tree rings. So they just go up and down and they connect to your tree rings. So now let's say you want a slab of wood. So here you have your slab of wood, and then on the short narrow end you have your tree rings, and on the long side you will have your wood grains. So let's just make the edges a little bit clearer. So let's say you have a piece of lumber, and on the short end you will have your tree rings, and on the side you just connect your wood grains. So let's draw the same wood plank lying down. On the short narrow end you put your tree rings, and running on the wider side you connect your wood grains. So every time you draw a piece of wood, you can just draw any shape you want, and then just think that on one side you will always have your tree rings, so that you have a guide when you have to draw your wood grains on any side of the wood. So just like here, draw your wood grains to the side. So just remember that on one side, and usually it's the short narrow end, you have your tree rings, and on the long side you have your wood grains running up and down. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.